often asked, does this situation that I'm experiencing, is it covered in my policy? And there's some general principles you can use to try to determine it, even without understanding all the different insurance terminology in the industry. Homeowners policies are almost overwhelmingly called all risks policies. And what that means is you're covered for any risk unless it's specifically excluded in the policy. So if you have, let's say, lightning strikes your house and you're wondering, am I covered for the lightning strike? Am I covered for the fire that resulted from the lightning strike? Am I covered for the rain that came into my roof after the lightning strike, made a hole in my roof? Unless there's a specific exclusion for lightning strikes, for a fire caused by lightning strikes, for the rain that comes in after the lightning strike, then yes, you're covered. For example, after you experience a fire in your building, on your property, and then the firefighters come and they put out the fire, but they soak the entire property in order to make sure there are no embers remaining. So then you also have water damage on your property. That is also included because there's no specific exclusion that says water from firefighters while they're extinguishing your flames is excluded. Now, on the flip side, and here's one that comes up recently and is very important, and if you have never looked at your policy to see if this is covered or not, you should. Recently, insurance companies have been excluding smoke damage from wildfires, specifically excluding it in your policy. And as you can probably guess, there are so many wildfires lately that a lot of homes, maybe they don't burn down, but they're very close to the fire. And they get a lot of smoke inside, and there's a lot of smoke damage. You have to remove your carpets, there's black residue on the walls, and these things are expensive. It used to be the case that that is automatically covered because it was not specifically excluded. But now insurance companies have gone ahead and added specific exclusions for smoke damage coming from wildfires. So there's another example of your policy is an all risks policy. It covers everything that is not specifically excluded.